Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tutorial Lab. Anyone who has a smartphone most probably uses it to view their Facebook accounts. With technology allowing you to sync multiple accounts into your device, Facebook contacts are becoming more and more important to keep track of your phone book. Usually, Facebook will prompt you to sync with your phone when you launch it for the first time. However, if you skip that step, I'll teach you right now in this video how to sync your Facebook account with your Android within Facebook or in your settings. Syncing Facebook contacts in Facebook. Open Facebook. Tap on the three vertical line menu. This three-lined menu icon is in the top right corner of your screen. Tap the gear icon. You should see this settings icon in the top right corner of the menu. Alternatively, tap Settings and Privacy at the bottom of the menu, then tap Settings. Tap Upload Contacts. It's under the Permissions section header. If you can't find this option, you can search it. Tap on the search button and type Upload Contacts. Tap the switch next to Continuous Contacts Upload to toggle it on. Android 7, switch on. The switch should be to the right if it's on. When this is enabled, Facebook will automatically upload contacts from your Android every time you use the Facebook app. Disabling this will also erase any previous contact data. If you want to delete your contacts, you'll need to turn this feature off. Then go to your contact management page and select Delete All. If you have Continuous Contacts Upload enabled, all the deleted contacts will be restored from your mobile. Syncing Facebook contacts in Settings. Go to Settings. To do this, tap the gear icon in the Quick Settings panel, or tap the Gear app icon. You should only be using this method if using Facebook did not work for you, as the other way is the official method of syncing contacts. Tap Accounts and Backup or Accounts and Passwords. The wording may vary slightly depending on your phone's manufacturer. Instead, this menu could say Accounts and Sync. You may need to tap Manage Accounts to see all your active accounts and continue. Tap on your Facebook account. You must have a Facebook account for you to be able to see this option. If you don't see Facebook in the list of accounts, add it. Tap Add Account at the bottom of your screen. Then tap Facebook from the list. Enter your Facebook account information, like your email and password. Then tap Sync Now when prompted. Tap Sync Account. This will direct you to another window with your Facebook account information. Tap on the three dot. You'll see this three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of your screen. Tap Sync Now. Depending on your internet speed and the number of contacts synced, this might take a few seconds, so wait for a little while. Check your contacts. If you see the Facebook icon beside your contacts, then you have successfully synced your Facebook account to your Android device. And there you have it. By this way, you will be able to syncing your Facebook account with your Android in the Facebook official app and also in your phone settings. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe to the Tutorial Lab for more tech tips and tricks. Got questions about Facebook Marketplace? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.